Howdy folks, and welcome back to Pool School. In this episode, I'm going to show you one very simple and easy thing to do to dramatically increase the life of your pool tools, your brush, your pole, and your net. So what do you say we jump right in? Alrighty folks, before we get started, I want to thank you once again for watching this video. Remind you to like it if you do, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already, and please share my channel with everyone you know who owns a pool. And don't forget to check out my membership website, poolschooler.com. It'll come across the screen right here, poolschooler.com. It's full of more members-only exclusive content that will help you save even more money servicing your pool yourself. First and foremost, I want to apologize for taking so long to post any more content on my YouTube channel. The truth of the matter is I have been busy working very hard on releasing my travel series starring Sarah Reich. It's called It's Tappening, and I'm going to put a link to the website where you can actually watch a trailer of it, and if you decide to purchase it for video on demand, you can do so there. It's called itstappeningtv.com. It'll also come across the screen right here, itstappeningtv.com. I'll also put a unique QR code down in the description below this video so you can scan that and check it out. But do check it out, especially if you like travel, people, cultures, unique experiences. It's a really fun show. I'm very proud of it, so check it out if you can. So folks, what is that one thing that you can do that will dramatically increase the life of all of your pool tools, your pole, your brush, and your net? It would be simple. Take them out of here and put them in the shade. Yes, in the shade. So I'm just giving you an idea of what I have. I have this kind of lean-to. We just put a cover over. It doesn't have to be an enclosed storage. It just needs to have a cover. The goal is to get the stuff out of direct sunlight. And if you can, obviously out of the elements as well. But the biggest one is direct sunlight. Direct sunlight will rapidly deteriorate your net material, the plastic on your net, the metal on your pole, the plastic on your pole, and any of your tools. I keep my brush in here. I used to not do that. I used to keep them in the back of my truck. And I found that things wore out a lot faster and dried out and cracked and got brittle and everything. So now when I'm done doing pools, I put it in some place where it's out of the sun. So folks, that honestly is the secret. How simple is that, right? So folks, I know that sounds very simple and kind of ridiculously simple, but to tell you the truth, I'm surprised at how many people will hang their pole out in the stark sunlight. And in Arizona or any places in the summertime, when you get a lot of sunlight, it's just so damaging to your pool tools. So in the future, look for a place that you can get those things out of the sun, and it will go a long way to saving the life and extending the life of your pool tools. So there you have it, folks, my very short video on the one thing that you can do that will dramatically extend the life or increase the life of your pool tools. I hope it made sense. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below this video, or you can email me directly. My email address will come across the bottom of the screen right here. As always, it is kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Don't forget to check out my travel series, It's Tappening, at itstappeningtv.com. I'll put a link in the description below this video as well, and a QR code that you can actually scan and check out the trailer at least. Also, don't forget to check out my membership website. And until we meet again, remember to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget, have fun, be safe, and always watch those kids and elderly folk and pets around water. And I'll see you next time. And get those tools out of there and put them in the shade. Bye-bye.